In this video, you'll learn how to disconnect and reconnect the bike in case you need to. Go to the My Device tab. Tap the setting in the top right corner. Go into My Device, tap Unbind and OK. Now you have your bike disconnected and reset. To connect your bike, go to the same My Device page. Tap the plus icon on the screen. Press any button on the bike to show the QR code. Scan it. And follow the on-screen instruction to connect with the bike. Now you have your bike connected again and ready to ride.